Layle with Layle by Mail, and I am back sharing the Tell Your Story project. This is available in a Layle by Mail kit, so you can purchase this and have it mailed to you. I will also be teaching this at a number of stores throughout the month of June. So let's take a look, and I'll give you more information at the end. This uses the Simple Stories I Am collection along with the 6x8 black snap album, and you guys, it is such a beautiful collection. You may remember the original I Am collection that Simple Stories did 3 years ago, and it's just a beautiful take on kind of telling your story. A lot of times we're telling other people's stories as we're doing our scrapbooking and memory keeping, but this one is really focused on telling your story. So it's using a combination of a number of different products in the collection, and we'll take a look at all the products in the kit at the end. But one of the things that I've used in the collection, or in the kit, is one of the 6x8 albums. And in the 6x8 album, or excuse me, gosh, the 6x8 paper pad. And that is a really fun addition to kind of the kits that I have not used before. So they're newer product of Simple Stories. You can see that one has a little kind of trifold there. But the 6x8 pads are beautiful because you get a nice cross section of patterns, 24 papers in all, and 2 each of 12 designs. So a lot of fun things to play with in the kit. Also includes the 12x12 stickers. Ooh, and the snap cards. So the snap cards, you get lots of 2x2s, 4x4s, 4x6s. So it helps to fill up some of those pockets. There are quite a few butterflies in the collection, and I just love that. They are so pretty. Just a nice little touch. Another kind of flip out there. This one, you know, I counted, but now I don't remember it. As you can see, everywhere you see white, that is meant for a photo. So quite a few places for photos, quite a few pages. This one has, oh, I think I want to say 39 pages between the fronts and the backs. Pockets here, and I'll just grab this little piece of paper, but you'll be able to, maybe, I can get my fingernails in there. You get the gist, because that's too big. Anyway, pockets there for photos. Another little flip out there. So doing some fun things with a little bit of interactive elements in this one. There's another pocket. You can see you could add your photos in there. And then a pocket there as well for more photos. The I Am collection has rose gold foil accents, and it is such a beautiful addition. The rose gold foil is something that you really haven't seen a lot. We see gold foil, sometimes we see platinum or silver foil, but the rose gold foil is really pretty. Clear stickers in here, so the clear stickers, colored sheets, as well as rose gold foil sheet and a black sheet, but that gives you a little bit, again, a feel for the rose gold foil accent, if you can see that. This particular kit, the Tell Your Story kit, is shipping starting this week. So that would be March 19, 2018. So this one has been super popular already. If you have been on the fence, now you have a chance to see what that project is all about. I will quickly now show you the contents of that project kit. And this is the 3x8. 3x8, oh my goodness, I've been traveling a lot. This is the 6x8 paper pad that I mentioned. So you can see there just a really good feel for the beautiful patterns and colors in that pad. Again, I think I used almost every sheet in the project. Some pink ribbon for the cover. The bits and pieces are the die cuts. Tons in there, 53 of those. And those also have some of the rose gold foil accents. These would be the clear stickers. So as we take a look there, the colored sheet, the rose gold foil sheet, and then the black. The snap cards, so as I mentioned, those are going to be your combination of your 3x3s, your 4x4s, your 2x2s, your 4x6s. So that is going to give us 48 different cards to play with in there for our pockets. The chipboard also has the rose gold foil accents. You can kind of see that a little bit there. The 12x12 sticker sheet. So lots of product in this kit, you guys. Lots of product to fill up that beautiful album. And then just a few papers that we're using for the cover and then throughout the album. So the 4x6 elements. and then that beautiful black gingham that is kind of a signature of the collection, and then the floral. So that is the Layle by Mail Tell Your Story kit, and look for information at the end of the video, as well as in the YouTube kind of information about the video on ordering. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the